Yo, what's up, guys? It's Liam again here from Pro, and today I'm going to bring you guys an exclusive review of a product called Affiliate Accelerator by Billy Dow and Justin Opay. So, what is Affiliate Accelerator? It's a product that's going to help you guys to build your affiliate business from start to scratch. They're going to show you exactly what to use, what tools to get, the cheapest place to get them. Guys, you're going to need some tools in order to start your business, where to find traffic, and how to promote offers. Also, check out my exclusive bonuses. I put down the link in the description where you guys can get exclusive bonuses. I think it's up to 10 products, 10 bonuses, sorry, with tons of products in it. It's going to help you guys make even more money online. So check out the link down in the description. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to head over to my PC now. I'm going to give you guys insights on the members area. Also going to take you over the bonus page and the sales page as well. So hope you guys are going to enjoy this one.
All right, cool. So now that we're on my PC screen, I just want to take you guys quickly through my bonus page, and then I'm going to take you through the sales page as well as inside the members area where you guys are going to check exactly what you're getting before you purchase Affiliate Accelerator. So now that we're on my bonus page, I just want to run down quickly through. So I've taken out some pointers from the sales page because a lot of guys that just go through my bonus page don't have time to read the whole sales page. So I've just taken out a few tips from there, which you guys can go over and see. I'm going to run quickly through this where you guys are going to get in everything that's on the sales page, not everything, but most of the stuff. So if you want to pick up your copy and get my bonuses down on this page, you're going to have to click any one of these yellow buttons on my page so you guys can secure all your bonuses, which will be delivered directly to you inside the members area. So watch, I've pointed out a few things. One of Billy's students, Janishka, which I know through Facebook as well, she's been earning insane amount of commissions. She's been one of Billy's students, and he's been teaching her, and she's making insane amounts of cash. Even started releasing her own product. I think she's got one you can check out on Munch Eye, which she's going to be releasing. I think it's in a week or two. Just get onto muncheye.com and check it out there as well. So what is Affiliate Accelerator? Well, it's a beginner-friendly software. You guys can get up and running in 60 minutes. It's completely brand new. So what Billy's going to teach you is something new, which you're going to learn inside 2019, how to do everything from start to scratch, and how you're going to be starting your own affiliate business and start making insane 100% commissions online. You're going to get their three-figure daily secrets. I'm going to show you how to get free buyer traffic. Everything's proven copy and paste method. Everything inside there is going to be over the shoulder videos which you can watch, which you're going to be copying and pasting your way to success. Follow Bully what he shows you everything step by step. You got a 365-day money back guarantee. So even if you purchase this refunded within 365 days, you're going to get your money back. But trust me, you won't, because the code is so powerful that you're going to be starting making money as soon as you implement everything. The guarantee or the proof and the faith that they have in their product is that they'll send you 200 bucks if you don't make money using this product, but you gotta implement it, you gotta take action, and you gotta make it work. So these are some of their results as well. Everything's on the sales page that you can get. There's a couple of upsells, guys. There's downsells to it as well. So if you want to get any one of the one-time offers, just click that you don't are not interested on the first part, and it'll give you a downsell where you're going to get it actually cheaper. It's a few couple of dollars that you'll get off the one-time offers. And then I just want to quickly go to my bonuses. So I've put in say 10 bonuses for you guys with tons of products. Like you can see, bonus one, it's just got 8 products of softwares inside. Bonus two, you can see what you're going to get there. Bonus three is another software which I'm going to give you guys. Bonus four is a WordPress plugin. Bonus five, rapid income fast funnels. Instant traffic for pennies is a great course where you're going to get buyer traffic for next to nothing. Instant cash jackpot, proven traffic methods, push click commissions, and buyer traffic funnel. All this is inside. You're going to get instant access as soon as you purchase. Once you reach into your Warrior Plus dashboard after you purchase the product, you'll see there's a green button which says access your purchase, and then down below that you'll find a blue button which says access your affiliate bonuses. So you get it same time you download your bonuses, get access to your extra courses and use that to start making money online. So if you want to grab it, remember to click any one of the yellow buttons that's on my page so you guys can claim those bonuses immediately. So I'm going to click it now so we can go through to the sales page, have a look at the sales page quickly, what exactly is on the sales page. So what the title says is how I bank $100, $200, $300, even $500 in as little as 50 minutes a day. So yes, if you're going to be implementing what Billy's going to show you step by step and take action, you're going to reach this 15 minutes, maybe not, but within a few hours or so implementing and start sending traffic to your offers, you're going to see those results. You guys can watch the good video over there on the page as well. I spoke to you about Janushka and what she started doing and how she started making money online. The three-step process is grab your product right now, apply the affiliate accelerator method, and then sit back and watch the traffic, leads, and sales pour in. Pretty simple and um, plain and simple a method that you guys are going to be doing. So who's the creators behind us? It's Billy Da and Justin Opay. Like I mentioned, Billy's a great product developer. Justin Opay develops the softwares on his business, and you can read everything about it on the sales page where you guys are going to see exactly what they explain and what you're going to get out of this product. He just speaks about a bit of his frustration. If you want to get into where he's going to show you how to sign up to Warrior Plus, which is a free affiliate platform where you can promote products where you get 100% commission on the front end. You can grab in there and go into and see Billy's profile. You'll see the stats where he did make over 24,000 sales, all those sales, what they worth, and collectively where he sold over $2.2 million in digital products. Everything's inside there, so it's proof, 100% proof inside Warrior Plus. These are some of his screenshots which he's taken of products which he's sold. These are daily screenshots, which is put together to show you guys exactly how he's making, how much money he's making. And he speaks about why is he telling you about that. Obviously, not to brag, but to give you guys more proof and to show you guys that it actually does work. So who's this for? So guys, this can be done for anybody, single moms, single dads, those that are at home, entrepreneurs, white collar professional, which is business people. If you're struggling to make ends meet, doesn't matter what age you are, guys, this is for everyone and anyone that wants to start making money online because it's a course that's going to take you from the beginning to the end to do things the right way in how to make money online. We've been through all the always before, and this year is what's working now in 2019, and you want to grab this. So it's going to show you how to become a super affiliate in record time. So what you need and don't need. So you don't need to have any of your own products. You don't need to create any products. You don't need to do any selling. You don't need to handle any product delivery. You don't need to deal with customer support, and you earn 100% commission on every sale. The support and everything on the back end is done through Billy and his team. So you just promote it, get the sale, and they take care of the rest. These are some more screenshots of money that is earned from Warrior Plus. Let's just take a look what others are some elite marketers that has been using or going through this program to test it out, and you can read about what they've got to say. It's also on the sales page over here. So as you can see, guys, we get affiliate accelerator right now. You're gonna get a massive discount of 97% discount. So other guys using or doing the same thing is charging up to $1,000 just to get this training, and you're gonna get 97% off that. So it's a step-by-step training. You're going to get a question and answer call inside there, dedicated support, an audio edition of the program, the action steps for each training model where he's going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. I think the price right now is sitting at 26 bucks that you guys can grab it for, but I'm going to show you exactly how you can get a discount of $5 as well. So the price is going to go up in 35 minutes. It rises every 60 minutes, I think, where you guys can grab it while it's still cheap. So before you click any one of the get started here now buttons, just move your mouse pointer up to like you want to close the page, and you're going to get a drop down box which says congratulations, you've qualified for a $5 special discount. Click the button that says click here to claim your $5 discount. That means you're going to get $5 off the current price now before it rises again. So use that. That's a trick that I've put together for you guys to show you guys how you guys can get this cheaper, a $5 discount. Make use of it and save $5 for yourself. So I'm going to run quickly into the members area now where you're gonna see exactly what you're gonna get. So I just wanna, sorry, I was busy with this. So I'm gonna go to everything step by step. So you're gonna get the welcome video where Billy's gonna welcome you into um, the system for the affiliate accelerator system course. Then in module one, you're going to learn the fundamentals. It's going to give you the overview and the big picture of exactly what you're going to achieve from this product. It's going to show you where to sign up for these affiliate networks, which are 100% free. It's going to show you which tools you need. I think there's only two, which is a landing page builder and a autoresponder. My suggestion is you guys get in with GetResponse. It's a great autoresponder. They get quite a high delivery inbox rate, and you get a 30-day free trial, so you can test it out for 30 days without spending any additional money. And I guarantee you're going to make money within those 30 days, which you can afford to pay for the autoresponder after that. The required tools, yes. Then the niche product selection is going to show exactly what niche to go in, which products to select, and which products to promote, and obviously the action steps which you need to do um, to take action. Then in module two is the initial setup. You're going to get the overview, the affiliate funnel, so you guys can see exactly how to create the funnel, the lead magnet where you're going to set up with your bridge page, which is your landing page to get email addresses of your subscribers and start promoting to them. Then you're going to do the full affiliate funnel setup, which you can also get from inside the main menu here, and the action steps to take. And then the best part, or the enticing part, is where to get traffic. So even if you are an experienced affiliate marketer, you can get the course to show you exactly how Billy generates traffic from Facebook, how he uses solo ads, the best solo ad vendors and influencers to get traffic to his offers, to subscribe to his email list, and to start promoting to them. Then, guys, this for me was one of the best things inside the course is the retargeting, where Billy shows you exactly how to retarget everybody that visited your landing page. So you're gonna get back to them and retarget them on Facebook for next to nothing, guys. This is one of, I think this course alone can be packaged together and sold for over $97 or $197. And then consistently making sales is going to show you the overview, finding products, and how to make the sale come to you, because he's going to show you exactly where you're going to get those bonuses and how to create bonus pages in order to entice your sellers, your buyers to buy from you. Then the email strategy, how to promote these emails. I think you can get the resource here, download the email resource where you show you exactly the emails that you can send to your subscribers and get them to buy from you. And obviously, like I spoke about the bonus page, if you're using ClickFunnels, he gives you a done for you bonus page which you can use to promote your bonuses. And guys, if you don't have any bonuses to promote to your buyers, hook me up after you've purchased the course from my links. Send me a message on Facebook, send me an email, tell me you've bought the course, and I'll give you a list of products which you can give away as bonuses for free to your subscribers. And then obviously, guys, you want to start taking action and you want to get in on this method. You want to start making money with affiliate marketing. So get the course, buy it from my bonus page with the links, get all those bonuses, and then hook me up. I'll send you a list of extra products for free, which you can use to give away to your subscribers and make money from them. So I hope you guys enjoy this review, take action. The links are all down in the description. Click on the link and get to my bonus page, grab your product, and start making money online. See you in the next video.